What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So finally got the wide body kit in. As you guys know, I think last video I showed I got the front bumper. Well, everything else finally come in except for a couple. I lied, a couple of small pieces. Waiting on the rear liners from, went to a body shop to get those, my brother's shop to get those. So waiting on those to come in. The front liners and everything already here. I only got two things left to get. That is the grill, the lower grill. I got the upper grill, lower grill for the front bumper, and the front lip. I'm doing a ZR1 lip. So let me show you guys what I got here. All right, guys, so here is the rear quarter panels. The other one is underneath it. So this is, I ordered it from Velo's Designs. Hector helped me out, got me hooked up, ordered these things and got them within a few days. So nice quarter panels. So all the holes and everything are drilled in these. Everything's already cut out, so it's ready to go. All you gotta do is just kind of scuff it up and all that. It's got a couple little edges and stuff I gotta clean up. Nothing really too crazy, but everything looks really good. Really good quality fender. We are gonna hopefully in the next week or so put it on the car, mount it up, see what it looks like, make sure everything fits well, adjust the fitment and all that. So definitely we'll be making a video of that. And in this box, let's see which way it unfolds. Well, we have the front Z06 fenders. I went with the Z06 fenders. I was going to go with the ZR1s, but I'm on a kind of a time crunch right now. They were going to be a little bit longer to get, and then plus the vents and everything were a little bit more pricey than what I wanted to spend right now, because I do also have to buy wheels and tires, because I'm actually going to be running a set of wide body wheels on this. So that's the only thing. I didn't want to put a set of, $1,800 in a set of front fenders when also I need a set of wheels, which I was going to look at getting the GM Cup wheels that come on the C6 ZR1s. Some ZR1s you could get them on. You could get them on like the 427 Corvettes, the convertibles. I think that was really all. I mean, you might could have got them on. I think that was really the only thing they come on the C6s. But C7s, they came on the Grand Sports. You could get them on the Z06 as well. But I'm kind of looking for some C6 ones, because the C7 ones have a bad tendency of cracking and everything. So I don't know. I got a lot of options. Eventually, I want to put like some, pretty cool wheels on here. But for now, I got a show to go to in June. Trying to get this thing done. Got to get everything painted. Also looking at getting like maybe some Morimoto tail lights. Windows are going to be retinted. Going to lower the car a little bit. I got lowering bolts in the rear already. The front ones I just got to put them in because I want it to look good. And yeah, eventually going to get the carbon fiber rear diffuser. I don't know. I got a bunch of stuff to get. But first thing is I got to finish this. So not gonna lie, guys, it is not cheap. I've got a lot of money invested in this thing already, so kind of hoping, everything comes along. Like I said, I got a couple other pieces to get. I will say, hang on, let me flip this camera around. I want to let you guys in on something that could save you a lot of money if you plan on doing this. All right, now, if you plan on doing this wide body kit, I need to let you in on something. Yes, you can get on these. If you're looking for inner fender liners, front and rear fenders, it's pretty, kind of where to get them. Front fenders, I didn't say. They came from, where did I get these from? Oh, ACI. These are ACI fenders. JD Corvette, they're good too. I know people have got those. They're good. ACI is really good as well. Just kind of about who you want to, I think JD Corvette is a little bit further out as far as time-wise. They said they were going to be 2-3 weeks. I got them in a week and a half, so not bad. But anyways, when you go to buy all of your inner fender liners, there will be websites out there, GM parts store, whatever, GM, you know, whatever. It'll look like you're ordering. I mean, you are ordering GM stuff, but it kind of looks like a breakdown that the dealership would have. And the parts will be cheap, you know. Rear liners will be like $160 a piece. But what they don't tell you is they're going to get you on shipping. Because when I was ordering the front stuff, and the front liners are not that big because it's only a half a liner and a half a liner. The top section is actually part of the car. So those things are not that big. They don't weigh but a pound, if that. But they will charge you upwards of $500 to ship them things. So what I suggest you guys do is what I did. Is get on there, get the factory GM part number, take it over to eBay, key them in. You'll find everything on there. You won't have to pay the crazy shipping amount. You may have to pay $10, $15 more for the part, but you got to think it's going to save you a good bit. Or if you have the hookup with a body shop, go to a body shop because you'll get them really cheap through a body shop. So that's the thing, is they will charge you an outrageous amount for the liners, or really not liners, but the shipping. So get on eBay, order through eBay. That's where I got all my stuff, on eBay, and you'll be set. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Maybe next video we'll post setting these on the car, adjusting them, showing you that, because the fronts are not drilled or anything. The rears are, so we got some work to do. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for the build. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Peace.